Are you tired of the same old gardening methods? Do you wish for a simpler way? Well, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the world of no-dig gardening, a game changer in horticulture. Today we're going to share with you 7 no-dig gardening methods for easy bed creation. First up, sheet mulching. This organic gardening technique can enrich your soil without any digging. Imagine creating a nutritious meal for your plants by simply layering organic materials like leaves, straw, and compost over the ground. It's as simple as layering organic materials over the ground and letting nature do its work. Next, we have straw bale gardening. If you've got poor soil, this one's for you. Straw bale gardening involves planting directly into bales of straw. The straw decomposes over time, providing a rich, nutrient-filled environment for your plants. With this method, you can grow plants in a straw bale. It's that simple. Then there's horticulture. This method is perfect for those of you with lots of woody yard waste. It's all about building raised beds filled with rotting wood. This decomposes over time, providing long-term nutrients for your plants. It's a great way to recycle your yard waste and enrich your soil. Fourthly, consider raised bed gardening. This method involves growing plants in soil that's elevated above ground level, typically in a frame. It offers excellent drainage, reduces soil compaction, and saves your back from bending. It's a great way to grow a variety of crops in a small space. Next up, lasagna gardening. No, it doesn't involve pasta, but it does involve layers. This method layers brown and green organic material, mimicking nature's composting process. After some time, these layers break down into nutrient-rich soil. Just like making lasagna, you layer organic materials to create a rich and fertile soil. The 6th method is keyhole gardening. This method maximizes planting space and conserves water. Imagine a pie-shaped bed with a keyhole pathway for access. Organic waste is composted in the center, providing nutrients and moisture to surrounding plants. It's a smart and efficient way to garden, especially in dry climates. Finally, we have the back-to-Eden gardening method. This method mimics nature's way of growing plants. It uses layers of organic materials that decompose over time, enriching the soil and conserving moisture. This method involves mimicking nature, resulting in a lush and productive garden. These are the top 7 no-dig gardening methods. Try them out and enjoy a more relaxed gardening experience. From sheet mulching to back to Eden, each method offers unique benefits for easy bed creation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your experiences with these methods in the comments. Happy gardening!